eBay's new unified listing experience is now available for some eBay sellers to try out. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about it. eBay's new redesigned listing experience will become the default listing tool for some sellers in February and most sellers by spring. I'm going to tell you about it, but first, please take the time to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell, and let's get started. So why has eBay redesigned its listing tool? Well, that's because when you list on a phone, when you list on a computer, or when you list on a tablet, it is just not uniform throughout those three devices. eBay's goal with the new tool is to make listing on all of the devices exactly the same. So whether you list on a phone, a computer, or a tablet, you will see a clean, unified look. eBay says the experience is built on new technology that will allow them to more quickly deliver new features to help you create great listings. As you probably know, eBay had previously rolled out background removal on mobile devices, which helps you to create professional-looking photos as you list. But with the new listing experience, background removal will be available on desktops. So I went to list an item today on eBay, and unfortunately, I am not one of the sellers who is being given the opportunity to try it out. If I was, there would have been a try the new listing tool where I go to create a new listing, and there was not. So maybe you are one of the guinea pigs. If so, please comment in the section below. Let me know if you tried it, and let me know what you think about it. If you've been selling for a while on eBay like I have, this is my 23rd year, you know that things are pretty much constantly changing. This is just another change that you will have to adjust to. And I'm hoping this change will make things easier for us as eBay sellers, and I really do think this is going to be an improvement. As soon as I have access to it, I'm going to try it out. I'm going to make an updated video. I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it. So that's it for now. I really hope you learned something from watching this video. If you did, please take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. As always, this is the Refined Reseller saying, do like me, buy low, sell high, good sourcing, good selling, and I'll see you next time.